Welcome to codingBurg. Today I'm gonna show you how to detect buses from a video or a picture. So let's just begin our code. We need one library called Python OpenCV. You already know that. So just go to the Google and search for OpenCV and click on the first link here, copy it and open your CMD. Just paste here and hit enter. Okay, that's where you can install the OpenCV, but we need a Cascade file. So where you can find this, the download link is given below, so just download it. Okay, let me show you. Go there and just click here, busfont.xml. click here, click save as. Okay, don't change anything here, just save it the same directory where your Python program is. So don't save it in other places. Save Python program and the XML file, Cascade XML file and the video also in the same directory. Okay, just press save, then it will. Now let me show you the video which I am playing. We will detect those buses from that video. Go to our IDE and just create a new Python file. I'm sure you know those things. I'm calling this a bus D. Okay. So first of all, we need to import the OpenCV in CV2. Then we have to declare a variable like bus cascade. So you can call it anything you want. Then CV2 dot cascade classifier. Okay, now give the classifier name which you saved. So my one is bus .xml. okay, busfont.xml. this is my XML file name. So if you save the file in other directories, then you have to give the full path of this file. So this is quite complicated. So don't save it in other places, just save it the same directory where your Python program and the video is saved. Okay, just for now declare a new variable cap equal cv2.video capture. So we have to capture the video here. Then we need a loop, while true. We have to true this, or infinity loop. It's called infinity loop. So declare two variables, wait and ing, like image short form. Okay. Then here cap dot read. Okay, our cap variable is storing all those video values, and now our rate and image variable also have the value, also have those videos. So now we have to convert that video to the grayscale. So declare a variable gray equal, first of all, cv2 dot color. Okay, cv2 dot cv2 color image. So image, because those image with cv2 dot color, select this color. Okay, and okay, now type variable. So I'm declaring bus equal bus cascade dot multi-scale, and now pass the image here. Now pass the image here, so gray, and call it 1.1 and 2. Okay, so we capture a video, then we convert the video to the grayscale, then we find those objects. We find those objects from that video. Now our task is to print all those objects or draw a rectangle to all those objects so that we can see it clearly. So for doing that, we need a for loop for x. We're declaring 4 variables x, y, z, w in bus. So in bus. Okay, now cv2 we have to draw a rectangle. So cv2 dot rectangle, in which part? Obviously image. So image, and now give the rectangle color. So image, and now here just give a bracket and type x, y. Okay, x, y. Then here give another bracket, x plus z, y plus w. So okay, we add those lines and we stick here. We can check here is a comma, now and now here it's 2. But here we have to give the color code also. So our color code is for probably orange. It's 0, 255, 255, 255, and here 2. Okay, because in both sides we need the count. We have to print those things. So print those frames. So like cv2 dot im show the image, because all the value is stored in image like img image. And now we have to terminate the program also. So for terminating the program, we need a if condition. If then cv2 dot wait key here 30 equal 27. Don't think too much about this. This is just a ASCII value of escape key. So when we press the escape key, then the program will terminate. For keyboard, then our program will automatically terminate it. Then here just type break. Okay, and lastly we have to cv2 dot destroy windows. So we have to close all those windows and this window. Now the main part is here. Here we have to pass a parameter. So if you want to open your webcam, then you have to give here 0. So you can record the video from your laptop webcam or desktop webcam, external webcam. So if you have more than one webcam, then you have to correctly give the number like 1, 2, 3, anything you can give it. But if you want to play a video from your hard disk or the same directory, then you have to give the path here. Or if you in same directory, the video in the same directory, then you just type the video name here. So my video is in the same directory, so I am giving only the name here, video name here. So my video name is says dot. You have to get the correct format. If the video is mp4, then type mp4, mp5 then type mp5, or 4k then 4k, any format. So let's just check all things. So all things are looking good and correct here. So let's just run that program. Okay, our program ran successfully. Just look at this program, detect that is a truck. So wait, okay, this program is detecting the bus. So now we can terminate the program just by pressing the escape key. Okay. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and